Similar to the Team 90?
We haven't
That team
made
right
our
there,
rounds.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
It
they
is
have
similar
another car though. Yeah, that's
It
self-driving,
uses
but
the lidar
But
on
ours
top
is
to
better.
do.
Okay. So like
like theirs is doing the light detection, correct? Yeah, for us we are doing like detection of whatever's in front, just so it moves forward through a maze.
okay. So it's like based on the sensor detecting the
Yeah.
obstacles and the moving.
Yeah, so like if this is what the top sensor there is kind of seeing. This would be like a room. So it detects what's in front of it, and if it's closer than a set distance, say 15 centimeters, it decides whether to go right or left based on how much room it has on this side and how much room it has on this side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for the direction, this car, like, do you buy online or like?
The car, yeah, there is a kit online for the car.
It's all
Okay.
pieced together.
So we used that for the motor drivers and to get this ultrasonar
Okay.
sensor, which is like a last resort safety.
So you implement the sensor extra for the car.
Yes,
budget?
and then yeah, this is a
Wire as well.
different sensor that we had to implement to work with this sensor and the
Okay.
motor driver. So it's all controlled by a Raspberry Pi. Though.
Raspberry Pi.
Yeah.
Raspberry Pi is that comes with this car. You
No.
got- no, you
Raspberry
had
Pi is
implemented.
bought separately. Yeah.
So the shell didn't come with it. This didn't come with it. The shell, the mounting that we used didn't come with it. The lidar didn't come with it. The batteries that we used two 18650 batteries. They didn't come with it. And then we just made some like changes to the tire structures and then the chassis and whatever because to fit our standards and what we need and weight, etc. So
Just like after the design aspect, to have everything that is able to fit on it while functioning as well.
Okay, so do you know what car name was it selling on?
I think it was called Sunfounder.
Sunfounder.
Yeah.
Okay. And for this one, like, did you use any software from the engineering?
From where?
Like
any
software,
libraries?
like you do coding and running with this
Yeah.
one, right? So
We use,
what coding language you use?
so we use Python coding.
Okay.
And then basically what happens is the code will say, so there's three ways. So since we have three sensors, it's going to start with the ultrasonic or ultrasonar sensor data as well. So it's going to see the distance. If it's, pardon?
You use it.
It goes from ultrasound and then it's going to check here first and then it gets to later.
That's like a safety.
Yeah, but like I'm saying, it checks the safety first before it goes to later.
So it's based on the coding you do that.
No, like we all like pitched in on different things, but the safety measurements were off, like came in afterwards. So our main goal was working with the lidar and then deciding like the direction, and then
First? For safety, yeah, that's what I
Okay.
said.
So you did it with Python coding, and then where did you implement? Like, how did you implement this car? Like,
to
is there-
Raspberry Pi.
Yeah.
So there's a 4-wheel drive map.
Like how
that
do
I
we
mentioned.
control it? So basically this is constantly updating a list for every single angle point, and it's going like it's getting from 0 to 360, and that list is being put into an algorithm which calculates the front distance of it and sees based on that it makes the decision. But then that's sent to, there's another board in here above the Raspberry Pi, which is mainly for motor driver. So it's being powered by the lithium batteries, and then the Raspberry Pi sends a signal to how fast to drive the motor and how long to drive the motor for. And that's basically the control operations of it.
Okay. So for Python and Raspberry Pi, like, there's software connecting it.
Python, yeah, Raspberry Pi is mainly Python. You could use like C on it too, but C is just the base code for Python anyways.
Okay.
Yeah. We use Python. It's one of the easier codes to learn from scratch and work with.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Yeah, twice.